If your fireplace blower is not turning on automatically, it's usually because of some simple thermostat or wiring issues that you can fix without calling a pro. So, first up, check your thermostat settings to make sure it's set to the right temperature and mode that triggers the blower. Sometimes the thermostat might be set too high or low, and the blower won't kick in. Next, inspect the wiring connections. Loose or frayed wires can mess with the blower's power supply. If you're comfy with basic tools, unplug the blower and look for any obvious damage or dust buildup that might be causing an issue. Cleaning the blower fan and motor area can also help, since dust can block sensors or slow down the motor. Another thing to try is resetting the blower by turning off the circuit breaker for a minute and then turning it back on. Also, check if the blower switch itself is turned on. Sometimes it's a simple on/off toggle. If your fireplace has a limit switch, make sure it's not stuck or malfunctioning because this switch controls when the blower starts. Lastly, if all else fails, consider testing your blower motor with a multimeter to see if it's getting power or needs replacing. One of the biggest issues people face with fireplace blowers not turning on automatically is ignoring the thermostat settings. If it's not set correctly, the blower won't know when to start. Fix that by double-checking and adjusting your thermostat for proper activation temperatures. Another common mistake is neglecting wiring problems. Loose wiring or bad connections can cut power to the blower, so make sure all wires are secure and intact. Lastly, people often forget about regular maintenance like cleaning dust and debris from the blower motor and fan, which can cause it to overheat or jam. Keeping it clean helps everything run smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors for fireplace repairs or any home project. It also helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get work done right.